if you're not embracing some of the amazing digital tools available to help you win more business right now, build better relationships, and have a more profitable business, you could be missing out. Now, I'm not here to say that all of the digital tools are the be all and end all, and some of you are making great profits without using any of them. But what I'm here to share with you is there's some amazing tools that I'm going to give you a checklist for shortly that will help you to build your relationships quicker, win more business at higher margins, and make life so much easier for you. Where this came from, I was chatting with a painter late last year, and he says, I have got that many inquiries, that many quotes to do. I'm feeling overwhelmed. In fact, I'm not returning phone calls, I'm not getting back to people, I'm promising and delivering nothing. I'm feeling terrible about the whole thing, and I don't like letting people down. So when we sat down and had a look at his process, what we recognized was there was no process to start off with. If you can relate to that example, listen on, because then what we did was we broke his process down into that early contact, the qualifying process, the presenting of the proposal, the follow-up structure, and then asking for the business and booking the work in. Now, there are a number of tools that you can use that work with those touch points that I've shared in a previous video around most of us, in fact, not all of us, being lazy, impatient, greedy, and vain, and in no particular order. If you haven't seen that video, look for it, because what we want to be able to do is use these digital tools to speed up communication, make it easy for people to buy from you, have people feel good in the process, and give them a little bit more than they expect. So right from the very start, if you've got a process that uses digital tools to get back to people quickly, fantastic. If you've got some digital tools to qualify or disqualify your customers, fantastic. If you have a digital way to present your proposals or your pricing, amazing. Then how do people book, or maybe you book a follow-up call with them? And finally, how do you wrap the whole thing up and have the paperwork side of things taken care of easily, simply, and quickly, which builds a better trust factor with your brand and also with you individually. If this is of interest to you, then click the link available, download that digital tool checklist that we've put into place. And if you'd like some support implementing any of that, please be in touch.